I'm Nolan McNutt, and I'm part of the precision machining program at West-MEC Central Campus. I actually had several friends who came here for like automotive and the EMT program, and I heard great things from them, so I decided to take a tour. I really like giant machines, and I also like working with my hands, plus like the aspect of manufacturing something that's for a functional purpose and being able to like use that and make it a profession. That was just very appealing to me. I don't know if the cameras can see, but this is a very hands-on environment. We're getting like in-person skills to be able to use the machines, work the machines, and just being able to use like your creativity to not only use the machines, but also model whatever you're going to want to make in like CAD programming so that you can just learn and then hopefully go directly into the field. So I'm in second year. The first year we got bench work and layout as well as safety and tool knowledge. This year we are working towards CNC mill and lathe. So it definitely makes you a lot more attractive to potential employers. It gives you a skill set that most like regular ordinary people don't have, and it proves that you're able to be proficient in that field. I mean, it's definitely a sigh of relief because I was like, it's just proof that my studying and actual work paid off. That's something that I get to keep and bring into my future. And like I said, it makes you attractive to employers. So hopefully that'll lead into more opportunities in the field and advancing in my career. Yeah, I hope to go directly into industry. I interviewed to be a machinist intern at Honeywell. And I'm still waiting to hear back, but if not there, then somewhere else, I'll go wherever my skills are needed.